back to my channel. Before we get started, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notifications, and give us a huge thumbs up. Today, I know the light's kind of weird. Do you see me still? I have my pickle blindfold that I got from the pickle factory. I'm gonna put this on. My dad's gonna give me my random squishy, like this new spray I got because we were playing this game earlier, and Dad thinks I have superpowers and like this stuff and like all this. And you gotta see my squishies while I show my dad that I have superpowers. And I can't see it.
Wait, let me try someone. No, you can't say anything. Okay.
I'm not cheating. I see that. You know that, right? I'm not blind.
You were supposed to have your eye patch on.
Okay, go ahead.
Mom, you know I can hear you go downstairs, right? Hold on.
There's no way you're gonna know what that one is.
It's new. I feel like it's new. Wait, it's not. No. I know! It's my smiley face one. Yeah! It's my
How
smiley
does
face
she
one.
know?
It like has smiley faces on
Okay,
it.
get back, sit back down, and let Daddy hand you another one.
It's a deflated purple dumpling. No,
You're trying to rush yourself now.
dumpling!
I gotcha. I finally got you. You don't actually have superpowers.
That's 1 out of 4. I mean, out of like 50 we did, but. Oh shoot. Another glitter dumpling. Yes. Got it right, guys. This one's a duplicate since this has fish drawn on, but it's so good. Hey guys, I got this new spray one. It's so nice. Oh, there's that monster!
What are you talking about?
You.
You ready?
Oh, it's my circle boy needle. I mean, not needle, but it's like a circle. It's cool. It's my circle.
How do you know that? Alright, go again.
Did she get one wrong?
She did get one wrong. She rushed herself. She picked the wrong color.
My red egg.
What?
Okay, so guys, this is my red egg. It's like slime inside. So nice. Sprite needle. Woo, I like this one. It's the popsicle that I flipped inside out.
You have so many popsicles. How...
What are you doing? Ah! I don't lick you. So
You don't
bad.
lick me. That's weird.
I thought you were Mom. I can hold on. This is new.
How do you know it's new?
This is a different. It's. Hold on. It's Nita. Guys, this is what it is. Comment down below what it is. Okay. So this is the bottom. This is the top. Your thumb's wedging into my eye. Okay, I think. I know!
What is
It's,
it?
oh, it's like a,
No.
it's like a dog or cat Nita. I forget which one.
Which one?
Which
The
one
dog. I got the new dog Nita.
That was new. She never saw that
She's
before.
never seen it before in her life.
I want to go back downstairs.
No.
No, give her another one.
Close your
Put your
eyes.
blindfold
Are you
on.
going downstairs?
No.
Close
put
your
blindfold
eyes.
on.
Close your eyes.
Oh.
Close your eyes.
My pineapple.
That was too easy. Keep your eyes closed.
What was it?
Pineapple.
Macaron.
Oh, is it
Red
tough?
dumpling.
Put it back on. No, she just saw that.
So what? I didn't see anything. It's a balloon dog.
Which color balloon dog?
Red? It's
No!
red blue one.
You're not that good.
Close your eyes.
POV, I got the rest of them right.
POV.
Close your eyes.
Smack you with a carrot.
It's not a carrot, it's a carrot. I'm just kidding.
Close your eyes.
What the heck is that
Keep
thing?
your eyes closed. You ready?
Oh my god. It's new. I've never. Unless it's really dirty.
Could be really dirty. Could be a little dirty.
No, wait. There's a charm to it. It's new. It's a salad squishy.
Alright, well what kind of salad squishy is it then?
There is no kind of salad squishy.
What shape?
Okay, hold
So she licked me.
on. Guys. Yeah, I hate the things on it. 1, 2. I don't know. It's something new. Can I open my line for
Yep.
It's Hello Kitty salad squishy. And that's a carrot.
Okay, close your eyes.
This is a car rot.
Carrot. Close your eyes.
Okay. My red egg. That was easy. What did you do?
We're running out of things, babe.
My circle Nito. Nope, not Nito brand.
She's right. It's not in her hands.
My cheese. My blue gummy bear with a lot of bubbles in it. Mom's purple gummy bear.
No.
That's my. Oh, I never know what I got in there.
Close your eyes.
Did somebody take my Sprite needle, which was right here? Hey, here you go.
Alright, close your eyes. Next one.
Shh, I'm doing ASMR.
Next one.
My ice cream. Did I make it?
Nope. Next one.
It's my needle
No,
cat.
let's do one more.
Your Nito cat. Looks like your mama.
Give me a new one.
No, no new ones. Last one, okay?
Okay. It's two. It's two. The heck is? Did I just open my eyes?
No, what is it? What is it?
What's
You gotta
this?
put it back together.
Oh, it's a hot dog.
I didn't know she knew there was a hot dog.
What?
How'd you know it was a hot dog?
Okay, guys, thank you much for watching. See you guys later. Bye. Oh, and by the way, my dad said go path.